Hi guys.
Hello.
So we made a small paper house.
And we're gonna make a giant house.
Yes.
With the
Noodle box.
Noodle box. Yes.
Yes. So we need
hot glue. Don't forget
Yes.
the help. And the scissor.
yes, and
And ruler.
yes. We don't have the real ruler, so we're using this one. And we need the color to paint the house
Yeah, color.
and pencil.
Pencil. We're gonna draw.
Yes. And we need the base for house. This is like base. So we're gonna put the house in here.
Oh yes.
So we don't have the real cardboard. So I'm using the FedEx box.
Oh yeah. Don't forget it.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a pattern with this, right?
Oh yeah.
And she's gonna color, and we'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Okay, we make a pattern and we'll come back when we are building the house. Hello guys, we are back.
Yeah.
We made a pattern for the house, right?
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be a nice house.
Oh.
What is this? It goes to back of the house. It's gonna be back of the house.
Back with the house.
And this one,
Wow.
yeah,
wow,
this is
wow.
the wall on the side, and another wall.
Yeah. Under the wall.
It's gonna be another wall here,
Yes.
and
Window.
window wall,
Window wall.
and door wall.
Door wall.
Look at this door. Sweet door.
That,
And we have,
that Christmas tree.
yes, we have Christmas tree also.
Yeah.
All right.
That people come here.
Yeah, people. Yeah, we go inside from there. The
Yeah.
door. That's a door. And we have a roof.
So yeah, roof like
Yeah.
right here.
Yes. So let's start it.
Okay, let's make.
Okay, let's go. We have a glue already. It's heated.
It's super hot. Don't forget to
All right.
have.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start. Okay. ये
Uh,
देखो ये देखो था so we have to do like this,
glue it on.
glue it. Oh, why is not coming? Oh, I need this one. It's not pushing.
And is coming now.
Yes.
Yes.
Look at this. Oh.
I can hold.
Yeah, thank you. Hold straight.
Okay, I just.
It's hot. Careful with the glue gun, guys.
Don't forget to grown up for help.
Yes. Try that.
Okay. It's good, right?
Yeah, look at this.
Wow, look at this one.
So we have to put the back of the house. Do some back of the house.
Yeah, but we're gonna glue first.
Daddy,
Yeah.
hold on. Daddy.
Huh?
Yeah.
No, this is the back of the house. This is why we make from the YY house, so we put YY on the back. Isn't good?
Yeah. And we're gonna glue it on. Can I glue it?
Yeah, we have to glue it first. We have to glue on the side here.
Careful. I just hold. It's hot.
Thank you for helping.
Okay, look at this. Actually, this one is our own house, right?
Yeah, this is looking good.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, and we need the door wall.
Yeah.
We're gonna put here on the front, so we can go inside from here, right?
Oh yes.
This is the door.
Yeah, we're gonna go inside here.
Yeah, we have to glue it.
We have to go in now.
Uh-oh. We put the door wall.
Oh yes.
This is the door wall.
Don't forget to.
Look. Go other side. Look at the door wall. This is awesome.
Wow. We found it Christmas tree stars and then ball, right? Ball. I'm gonna make that Christmas tree. Outside the ball.
So
And
careful with this guy. This is so hot, and this is glue. It's gonna glue all over your hand. We need
wall.
another wall on the side.
Yeah. We have to glue. Don't forget the donut for help.
All right, let's put it here. Oh,
Don't forget the grown up for help.
yeah. What? What is saying?
Don't forget the grown up
Careful
for
with
help.
the hell.
We're gonna grown up for help, right? Grown up for help.
All right, let's go. We make another house. And we have to put
Cholan
here
gandhi na.
also.
Cholan gandhi huncha ni.
Oh my god. Go, guys.
It's hot, so she's learning. It's hot.
Yeah.
She color all the wall. She color the door. She colored on the side, and she colored the window. She colored the window, and what else you color? Sorry, you colored the roof also.
Yeah.
Nice job, good job, Chori.
Let me see.
This is awesome. Thank you for. Yeah, this is awesome. Hi guys, we changed the mind, so we gonna put the roof
On
with this one YY on the
we're gonna
the
put
on the roof.
We're gonna put on the top,
Yeah.
and we're gonna see it looks like a house, right?
Yeah, it's gonna, because we made the house from the YY, so we put the roof of YY and the back side also YY. So we changed the mind. We gonna throw this way, and I'm sorry, she did a very nice job. I'm sorry, Churi, but this is gonna be YY house, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. First, we're gonna grown up for help because it's hot glue, right?
Yeah, we have to be careful with the hard glue.
Make sure your parents for help.
Yes. Window here.
Yeah, I'm gonna put in.
Window wall.
I'm gonna put careful, and I'm gonna hold.
Window one.
Oh.
This is hard. You always ask your parent to do for you, right?
Yeah.
So don't do yourself. Ask your parents
For help.
for help.
My parents, we're gonna help each other.
Thank you, Judy.
Where the other side? Put on the back side.
This is this is good.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put on. Oh, I forgot here. We're gonna put here on the side also, so you can glue properly. Oh, I had to put here too. Need a glue. Where's the glue?
Look
I
at
think it's. I need a glue stick. Do you have? Okay, and we're gonna put the roof.
Oh,
It's good?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah. Can I help you?
Yeah. Oh, we have to put the glue first. Give me. Okay, we're gonna put the glue first here all the way.
Yeah.
On the side.
We're gonna put Christmas
Careful,
tree
Sherry.
right here. No,
Careful.
we're gonna put Christmas tree right
Gonna
here,
put the
Daddy.
glue all the way here.
Okay, don't forget to grown up for help. Right?
Glue for the help.
Yeah,
Ask your parents.
for help.
Yes.
Ask your parents for help. But we so hot that
So hard, so done.
touch it to kids.
Yeah. Curious art. Have to be careful while touching the glue.
Oh, everywhere.
There's so many glue. We put the wire in the front. Yes. Uh-oh.
What? Oh.
Looks like now we made it.
Yeah, but we gonna put.
Yeah,
Christmas
you can put
tree.
the Christmas tree. We need another roof here.
On the roof.
Yeah. Okay, let me do it.
Okay.
Oh. Look at this, guys. This is gonna be awesome. I made the house so people can see from the side, you know. And, you know, it's kind of like
This.
looking nice. Look, Cherry.
Wow, looks like a school.
It's like this is a house. We made it. This is the Christmas tree. Where are you gonna put in front of the house? Right here on the side?
No, right here.
On the back? On
Yeah.
the side?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. I help you to glue and you put it. Okay. There is our Christmas tree.
Okay, we
Good
made
job.
this.
Yeah, this is good. This is looking good.
Where here?
How about we put on the back side here? So
Outside looks like a school. The Christmas school. Looks like a Christmas school.
oh, this is fine. Okay.
Why
Look, this is house. Look at this house, guys. Look, के भन्नु देखाइदियो भन्नु त्यसरी
Okay.
Tell them.
Dad.
ल यहाँ देखाइदियो ल
That is the two walls, and that is the roof. That is the backside wall. That is the Christmas tree. That is
under the roof,
that is the on the roof.
window,
And
and we have a
And
door.
window.
Look, we have a door here.
yeah,
We can go inside here.
and door. That is the DIY.
Yeah. Okay, so then the house. Like that.
Okay. Oh, look at the Christmas tree. I'm fine.
So you guys can make the house with the cardboard.
Yeah.
We made a
We made Christmas house.
We made the Christmas house with the
with the
Noodle Box.
Yeah.
And Merry Christmas for everyone. Merry Christmas, Nande.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Look at this, your house.
Look at this, my house.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Mwah.
Bye.